Today we will see groups from algebra. First, let us see what is the definition of binary operation. A binary operation star on a set S is a function from S cross S to S, and it is written as star from S cross S to S such that AB converts into A star B. Now we will see one example of binary operation. Let Z plus be a set of all integers. We define a binary operation star by A star B is equal to the smaller of A and B, or the common value if A is equal to B. It means that A star B is equal to smaller value of A and B if A is not equal to B, and A star B is equal to A or B if A is equal to B. It means that 5 star 7, it will be equal to 5 because 5 is the smaller value in between 5 and 7. 12 star 14 is equal to 12 because 12 is the smaller value in between 12 and 14. 4 star 4 is equal to 4 because here A and B both are equal, and therefore the value will be either A or B which are equal, and therefore it is equal to 4. 3 star 3, it will be equal to 3 because here A is equal to B. Now we will see the definition of commutative binary operation. A binary operation star on a set S is said to be commutative if A star B is equal to B star A. Now we will see one example of commutative binary operation. Let Z plus be the set of all positive integers. Define a binary operation A triangle B is equal to A into B plus 2. Now we will find the value of 5 triangle 4, which is equal to 5 into 4 plus 2, and that is equal to 22. Now we will find the value of 4 triangle 5 using the given definition of A triangle B, and A triangle B is AB plus 2, and therefore 4 triangle 5 is equal to 4 into 5 plus 2, and that is equal to 22. Now here you can see that these both values are same, means 5 triangle 4 is equal to 4 triangle 5. Now we will see what will be the value of 6 triangle 4. Now 6 triangle 4, it is equal to 6 into 4 plus 2, and that is equal to 26. Now we will find the value of 4 triangle 6, which is equal to 4 into 6 plus 2, and that is equal to 26. Here we can observe that both the values are same, means 6 triangle 4 is equal to 4 triangle 6, and therefore we can say that the given binary operation, that is triangle, is a commutative binary operation because A star B is equal to B star A. Now consider the binary operation circle as A circle B is equal to AB minus A plus 2. Now we will check either this binary operation is commutative binary operation or not. Now we will find the value of 5 circle 4, which is equal to, first we have to take 5 into 4 because here AB is there, therefore 5 into 4 is 20. After that minus A is here 5, and therefore minus 5, then plus B, and therefore plus B means here 4, and therefore 20 minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 19. Now we will find the value of 4 circle 5 using this definition. A circle B is equal to AB minus A plus B, and therefore 4 circle 5 is equal to 4 into 5, that is 20, minus A means minus 4, plus B means plus 5, and therefore this value is coming 21. And here you can see that 5 circle 4 is 19 and 4 circle 5 is 21. Means these are not equal values. That is 4 circle 5 is not equal to 5 circle 4. Means A star B is not equal to B star A. And therefore here we can say that this circle is not commutative binary operation. Now we will see the definition of associative binary operation. A binary operation is said to be associative binary operation if A star B star C is equal to A star in the bracket B star C for every A, B, C belonging to G. Now we will see the example of associative binary operation. Consider the binary operation A star B, where A star B is equal to smaller value of A and B if A is not equal to B, and A star B is equal to A or B if A is equal to B. Now I will take the value of A as 8, value of B as 10 and value of C as 12. First we will find the value of 8 star in the bracket 10 star 12. Therefore this is equal to, this 8 will remain as it is, inside the bracket 10 star 12 will be 10, therefore star 10 is written because 10 is smaller value in between 10 and 12. After this 8 star 10 will be 8 because 8 is smaller value in between 8 and 10, and therefore 8 star in the bracket 10 star 12 is equal to 8. Now we will find the value of in the bracket 8 star 10 star 12, which is equal to, this bracket value will be 8 because 8 star 10 will be 8 because 8 is the smaller value in between 8 and 10, and therefore 8 star and this 12 will be as it is. Now 8 star 12 will be 8 because 8 is smaller value in between 8 and 12, and therefore 8 star 10 star 12 is equal to 8. That is, these both the values are same, and therefore these two values on LHS should be the same. That is 8 star in the bracket 10 star 12 is equal to in the bracket 8 star 10 star 12, and therefore star is a associative binary operation because here A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Now consider the next example. The binary operation triangle defined as A triangle B is equal to AB plus A minus B. Now we will check either this binary operation is associative binary operation or not. Now take the value of A as 3, value of B as 5, value of C as 2. Now first we will find 3 triangle in the bracket 5 triangle 2. Now this 3 triangle will remain as it is. First we will find the value of 5 triangle 2. Now 5 triangle 2 will be 13 using AB plus A minus B, where A is 5 and B is 2. Therefore we got 5 triangle 2 is 13. Now see the value of 3 triangle 13. Now here A is 3 and B is 13, and therefore using this formula AB plus A minus B, we will get 3 triangle 13 is 29. Now we will find the value of, in the bracket, 3 triangle 5 triangle 2. First we will find this value 3 triangle 5. Here 3 means A and 5 means B, and therefore using this formula AB plus A minus B, we will get 3 triangle 5 is equal to 13. Then triangle 2 as it is. Now we will find the value of 13 triangle 2. Here A is 13 and B is 2. Again using this formula AB plus A minus B, we will get 13 triangle 2 is 37. And you can see that 29 and 37, these are unequal values, and therefore these LHS will not be equal. That is 3 triangle in the bracket 5 triangle 2 is not equal to 3 triangle 5 triangle 2, and hence this triangle is not a associative binary operation, because A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Now we will see the definition of group. A non-empty set G with binary operation star is a group if it satisfies following properties. See the first property G1, and which is the closure property. This states that for every AB belongs to G implies that A star B belongs to G. See the second property G2, which is the associative property. It states that for every A, B, C belonging to G implies that A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. See the third property G3, which is existence of identity, which states that there exists an element E belonging to G such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. And the last property is existence of inverse, which states that for any A belonging to G, there exists an element A inverse belonging to G such that A star A inverse is equal to A inverse star A, which is equal to E. If all the four properties, means if G1 to G4 holds, then G is called group denoted by G star. Star is the given binary operation. Now we will see one example on group. Let I be a complex number where I square is equal to -1. Let G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Examine whether G dot or G multiplication is a group or not. Now we have to check either this given G is a group or not, so that we have to check one by one all the four properties of the group. See the solution. We have G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Here binary operation is multiplication. First we will check G1, means closure property. Now see 1 into -1 is equal to -1, which is belonging to G. Minus I into minus I, which is equal to plus I square, which is equal to -1, but -1 is also belongs to G. Consider I into I, which is equal to I square, which is equal to -1, which is also belonging to G. Consider I into minus I, which is equal to minus I square, which is equal to +1, which is also belonging to G. Thus we can say that for every AB belongs to G, A into B belongs to G. Thus G satisfies the closure property. Now we will check the second property, that is G2, means associative property. Now we will take A is equal to I, B is equal to minus I and C is equal to 1. Therefore I into minus I dot 1 is equal to minus I square dot 1, but we know that I square is minus 1 and therefore minus I square will be 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. Now we will find the value of I dot inside the bracket minus I into 1. This I dot will be as it is, minus I into 1 will be minus I, then product of these two will be minus I square, but I square is minus 1 into this minus 1, which is equal to 1. Thus we have A dot B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C for every A, B, C belonging to G. Hence G satisfies associative property. Now we will check the third property, which is denoted as G3, means existence of identity element. We can see that 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, I into 1 is I, minus I into 1 is minus I. Therefore we can observe that 1 is the identity element for the given group G. Thus there exists E is equal to 1, which is belonging to G, such that A star 1 is equal to 1 star A is equal to 1 for every A belonging to G. That is, 1 is the identity element of given set G. Now we will check the fourth property of group, that is G4. That is, we have to check existence of inverse. We have to find the inverse of each element in G. We can observe that 1 into 1 is 1, where 1 is our identity element. Therefore 1 will be the inverse of this one. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Therefore minus 1 will be inverse of minus 1. I into minus I is equal to 1. Therefore this minus I will be the inverse of I. Minus I into I is equal to 1, and therefore we can say that I is the inverse of minus I. Thus for every A belonging to G, there exists A inverse belonging to G. Hence G satisfies all the four properties of the group, and hence we can say that G dot is a group. Thank you.